Are you the best shot glass display cases? Shot glass display cases are an essential accessory for collectors who want to showcase their prized collections while protecting them from dust and damage. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting out, finding the right display case can elevate your collection and add a touch of sophistication to your home or bar setup. For this comparison, we evaluated 5 popular display cases, ranging in price from $39.99 to $99.95. Our methodology: product J Jack Cube Design Rustic Wood Shot Glasses Display. The J Jack Cube Design display case is an excellent budget-friendly option for collectors. Made from solid wood with a rustic stained finish, this case features 56 compartments, each designed to hold a standard size shot glass. It arrives fully assembled and includes mounting hardware for easy wall installation. Its lightweight design and compact dimensions, 18 design width, 25 height × 2.2 width D, make it ideal for smaller spaces. The rustic aesthetic pairs well with farmhouse and vintage decor styles, making it a versatile choice for various settings. While the J Jack Cube Design case offers great value at its price point, it lacks certain premium features such as UV protection or a locking door. The compartments are slightly smaller compared to other models, which may limit its compatibility with larger shot glasses. However, for casual collectors or those on a budget, this case provides the stylish and functional solution for organizing and displaying shot glasses. Product number: Shot Glass Display Case Large Wooden Cabinet Rack. The Snail Shot Glass Display Case offers a premium feel with its solid wood construction and matte black finish. It holds up to 52 shot glasses and features a UV-protected acrylic glass door to safeguard your collection from sunlight and dust. The inclusion of removable shelves adds versatility, allowing users to display both standard and taller shot glasses. The case is equipped with a gold-plated anti-theft lock for added security, making it an excellent option for valuable collections. This case stands out for its durability and thoughtful design. The UV-protected acrylic glass ensures long-term preservation of your collection, while the removable shelves accommodate a variety of glass sizes. However, at 12.07 pounds, it is heavier than some competitors, which may make installation more challenging. Additionally, its price point is higher than budget options, though the added features justify the cost for serious collectors. Product 3: Black Shot Glass Display Case Large 61 Slots Glass Display. The K-Corn display case is designed for collectors seeking a larger capacity with 61 slots to accommodate an extensive collection. Its sleek black finish and clear acrylic panels provide a modern aesthetic, while the 2 different slot sizes cater to both standard and taller shot glasses. The case comes pre-assembled and includes hardware for easy wall mounting. Its durable wood frame and secure door design make it a reliable choice for protecting your collection. While the K-Corn case offers ample storage and a stylish design, its larger size, 18.9 inches W by 30.7 inches H by 2.7 D, may not suit smaller spaces. At 14.38 pounds, it is the heaviest model in this comparison, which could pose challenges during installation. Additionally, it lacks UV protection, which might be a drawback for those displaying their collection in brightly lit areas. Nonetheless, its capacity and design make it a strong contender for serious collectors. Product number: 100 Shot Glass Display Case Holder Shadow Box Wall Cabinet. The Display Gifts 100 Shot Glass Display Case is the premium option in this comparison, offering a massive capacity for up to 100 shot glasses. Its black finish and hinged acrylic door provide a polished appearance, while the individual compartments keep your collection organized. The case comes fully assembled and includes metal brackets for wall mounting, ensuring a hassle-free setup. Its dimensions, 35.2 inches, 24 inches wide by 3.6 inches D, make it suitable for larger spaces. This case excels in both capacity and build quality, making it an excellent choice for avid collectors. The hinged acrylic door protects against dust while allowing easy access to your collection. However, its higher price point and large size may not appeal to casual collectors or those with limited space. Additionally, at just 0.01 ounces, the listed weight appears to be inaccurate, which could confuse potential buyers. Product 5. Shot Glass Display Case. The Mlikaro Shot Glass Display Case combines elegance and functionality with its matte black finish and lockable acrylic glass door. It features 52 compartments, including removable shelves for accommodating shot glasses of varying sizes. The case's lightweight design and included mounting hardware make it easy to install, while its UV-protected glass ensures long-term preservation of your collection. The Mlikaro case strikes a balance between affordability and premium features. Its lockable door adds a layer of security, and the UV-protected glass is a standout feature in this price range. However, the case's lightweight construction may not feel as sturdy as some of the higher-end models. Additionally, its smaller capacity compared to the Cocorn and Display Gifts cases may not suit larger collections.